repeating that the motto of our this competition is very clear. What we want students should learn a spellings and be a part of a something which is really special. In today's competition, the competition will be conducted in three levels. The first level is spell well. This is our first round. Second round is jumble trumble. And the third one is word web. So in these three levels, we are going to conduct this competition. And winner will be announced after the competition only. What you need to do? We have three rounds, right? Each word will contain 2 marks. There will be no negative marking. Please note down this. There will be no negative marking for wrong answers. So if you are not sure about your answers, just give an answer because there is no negative marking. And participants have to listen the words and clues properly and then answer it. In first round, what you need to do, I am going to speak one word and meaning of that word, and what you need to do, you need to just give the spelling of that word. So this will be our first round. No word will be transferred to other one. Okay. You don't need to pass the word. Okay, word will not allow to pass. And please do not answer other group word because it will be give marks to them. So only the person who belongs to that house only need to give answers. Am I clear? If anyone have any issue? Anyone have any issue with rules? If anyone have any issue, they can ask me right now. Once I start the level, it will be difficult for you only. So can we start? Okay. First word is for red house. Red house. Only red house will be giving an answer. The word for red house is migratory. The word is migratory. The meaning of word is a bird that comes and goes with season. The word is
migratory.
Very good. You will be having 1 minute to answer, okay? Next word is for blue house. Blue house only. The word is transparent. I am repeating again. The word is transparent. The meaning of word is a body through which light can pass, known as transparent. Your time is running. You have only 1 minute to answer.
TRASPARENT.
One more time, please repeat.
TRANSPARENT.
Yes.
One more time.
No.
TRA.
Student, please on your cameras so that I could understand that who is answering. Okay?
TRANSPARENT.
Yes. So now mute yourself. Next. Next word is for greenhouse. I am repeating, the word is for greenhouse. Okay. The word is conservation. The word is conservation. The meaning of word is a careful preservation and protection. The word is conservation. Your time is running.
CONSERVATION.
Okay. Next. Next word is for yellow house. Yellow house. Only yellow house need to give an answer. The word
Yes.
is detergent. I'm repeating one more time. The word is detergent. The meaning of word is a chemical which is used to clean the surface known as detergent.
D E T E
You are not
R
audible. Please tell me one more time. You are not audible.
D E R D E R E T N G E N T.
Okay, your time is over. The spelling is wrong. The spelling given by you is wrong. Don't worry, you have lots of word over there. Next word. The correct spelling for detergents is DETERGENT. DETERGENT. Okay? So, now next word. This word is for red house. Again, red house. The word is ambassador. The word is ambassador. The meaning of word is a diplomatic minister of the highest order sent by one country or another. Okay? Again, I am repeating. The word is ambassador. Your time is running. Red house have to answer. Red house.
AMBASENDENCE.
Okay, your time is over and answer is wrong. The correct spelling, the answer given by you is wrong. The correct spelling is AMBASSADOR. Again, I am repeating AMBASSADOR. Okay? Now, next. This word is for blue house. Blue house. This word is for blue house. The word is epidemic. The word is epidemic. The meaning of word is it is an infectious disease in an community at a particular time. The word is epidemic. Your time is running. Only 18 seconds are there. Sorry, you have. Yes.
EPIDEMIC.
Can you repeat one more time?
EPIDEMIC.
Okay. Good. It's correct. Next. The next word is for greenhouse. I am repeating. Only greenhouse need to answer. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
पहला हम नहीं करे वैसे.
Please mute yourself. This is for greenhouse. The word is infectious. I am repeating again. The word is infectious. The meaning of word is a disease caused by ineffective agent known as infectious. The word is infectious. Your time is running.
INFECTIOUS.
Can you just repeat one more time?
INFECTIOUS.
Okay, it's correct. So, next word is for yellow house. Yellow house. This word is for you. The word is Homage. The word is homage. The meaning of word is a gesture of respect and devotion. The word is homage. Your time is
Yacho.
running. Yes.
Yacho.
Yes.
Miss, your voice is not coming.
Now am I audible? Am I audible now? Am I
Miss, the
audible?
spelling.
Yes. Tell me the
Yes.
spelling.
The spelling is HOMEAGE.
The spelling given by you is wrong. The correct spelling of the word is HOMAGE. Homage. H is silent over here. Okay?
Okay.
Next word is for red house. Again, this is the last word of this round. This word is for red house. Okay? The word is secular. The word is secular. The meaning of word is a government in which all religions are honored. The word is secular.
SECULAR.
Can you repeat one more
Yes.
time?
SECULAR.
Very good. Now, next word is for blue house. Blue house. Okay? This word belongs to blue house. The word is earthquake. The word is earthquake. The meaning of word is it is a natural calamity. It is a natural calamity. The word is earthquake. Your time is running.
EARTH QUAKE.
Yes, correct. Next. The next word is for greenhouse. The next word is for greenhouse. The word is volcano. The word is volcano. The meaning of word is eruption of magma. The word is volcano. Your time is running.
VOLCANO.
Okay, correct. Next. The next word is for yellow house.
Yes.
The next word is for yellow house. The word is continent. The word is continent. The meaning of word is it is a very large continuous mass of a land. The word is continent.
CONCONT.
Yes.
Miss, can I repeat?
Yes.
CONEINT.
No, the spelling given by you is wrong. The correct spelling of continent is CONTINENT. Okay?
Miss, can I write on a paper and I can say you too?
No, the round is over. The first round is over. Till this round, your markings are Sanskriti, red house, 4. Blue house, 6 points. Green house, 6 points. And yellow house, 0. Don't worry, yellow house, you have two rounds more. Okay? So you can cover up over there. So this round, the name of this round is Jumble Trumble. This round is Jumble Trumble. The word itself describes what will be the round. The participants of each house will be given. Yes, your time is start now. Your time is started. The jumble letters are D, double E, G, T, E, V, L. The word is going to start with letter V. This is for red house. Your time is running. Sanskruti. This word is for your house. You need to create a one word using these letters. The word will start with letter V. Your time is running.
Ma'am, vegetable.
Very good. So now I am going to open a second word. This is for you. This is for blue house. Time is running. The letters of this word is NIREUVLAS. The word is going to start with letter U. This is for blue house. Your time is running. You have only 1 minute. From which 30 seconds are already gone. You have only 30 seconds remain. Zed, this is for you. Blue house. Zed, create one word using this letter. The word will start with letter U. Only 5 seconds remain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time up. The word is universal. The word is universal. Now next, this is for greenhouse. The word, this is for Astha. The words are, letters are TNIEROP. The word is going to start with alphabet P. Your time is running. Your time is running. The letters are TNIEROP. The clue is P. The word is going to start with letter P. Astha, 30 seconds remain. This is for greenhouse. 5 seconds remain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. The word is protein. Okay. Now, next jumble word is for yellow house. The letters of words are Q, U. Yes. Your time is start now. Your time is started. Jumble letters are B, double E, G, T, E, V, A, L. The word is going to start with letter V. This is for red house. Your time is running. Sanskruti, this word is for your house. You need to create a one word using these letters. The word will start with letter V. Your time is running.
Ma'am, vegetable.
Very good. So now I am going to open a second word. This is for you. This is for blue house. Time is running. The letters of this word is NIREUVLAS. The word is going to start with letter U. This is for blue house. Your time is running. You have only 1 minute. From which 30 seconds are already gone. You have only 30 seconds remain. Z, this is for you. Blue house. Z, create one word using this letter. The word will start with letter U. Only 5 seconds remain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time up. The word is universal. The word is universal. Now next, this is for greenhouse. The word, this is for Astha. The words are, letters are TNIEROP. The word is going to start with alphabet P. Your time is running. Your time is running. The letters are TNIEROP. The clue is P. The word is going to start with letter P. Astha, 30 seconds remain. This is for greenhouse. 5 seconds remain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. The word is protein. Okay. Now, next jumble word is for yellow house. The letters of words are QU.
Miss,
Yes.
the word is unique.
Yes. Absolutely right.
Thank you.
Again. Next word is for red house. This word is for red house. Sanskruti. This is for red house. The word is, the letters of this word are XEMCOPL. The word is going to start with letter C. Already 30 seconds are over. Already 30 seconds are over. 15 seconds remain.
Plex.
Yes, very good. Next word is for blue house. This word is for blue house. The letter
Uniform.
RMNIUFO.
Uniform.
Yes, correct. Next word is for greenhouse. Greenhouse. The letters of word are VOMNIENTENR. The word is going to start with letter E. The word is going to start with letter E. 20 seconds are gone. You have only 1 minute. Only 30 seconds is remain. Only 15 seconds remains. Greenhouse. Greenhouse. Only 3 seconds remain. 3, 2, 1. Your time out. The word is environment. The word is environment. Sorry. No, it's not happening. So, yellow house. Time is running.
Yes.
Jumble words of your word is OCHTNOLYEG. The word is going to start with letter T. Time is running. Ruchira, you are not audible.
Miss, now I'm audible.
Yes,
The answer is technology.
very good. Yes. This round is over. We are done with our second round. How was round? You enjoyed or not? The
Yes.
results of this round are red house 4 points, blue house 2 points, green house 0, yellow house 4 points. Yes, Ruchira, now you are giving a smile. That's good. We have one more round. Asta, don't worry. You can cover in next round also, okay? So, our next round is word web. Word web. In this round, you will be given one hexagon, and from that hexagon, there are 7 letters given. The word given in a center, the word should start with that letter only. Wait a minute. We will need break for 5 minutes. We are taking a 5 minutes break. Okay, after 5 minutes, we will start third round. Please on your cameras. Student, please on your cameras. All the participants on their cameras. Yes. So now we are going to start our third round. Our third round is word web. I am again going to explain the rules of this round. In this round, you will be given one hexagon, and in hexagon there will be 7 letters given. The letter which is given in center of that hexagon, all the words should start with that letter only. If you have, suppose example, if you have A in front, in between of that hexagon, so all the letters you are creating should start with letter A only. This was example. Okay. Also, the words you are creating should have at least minimum 3 letters, 3 alphabets should be there. The word you are creating minimum have 3 letters.
मम्मीला देऊन दे माझा मोबाईल यूज कर
You need to,
तुम्हाला कुठे जायचं
each word will carry 2 marks. All of you please mute yourself. Please, yes. Each word will carry 2 marks. Maximum words you can create. It's not that you need to create only one word. No, you can create a maximum word you can. If you create a word using all the 7 letters, you will carry bonus 5 marks. You will get 5 bonus marks if you create a 7-letter word. Okay? All of you understand? And you will be given 1 minute. You also can take one notebook, and using pen you can write maximum word you can. In 1 minute you need to tell the words. Okay? Anyone have any issue with this? Anyone haven't understand the rules? Anyone? Yes. You are not audible. Can I start? Okay. No one asked a question. That means all of you understand the rule of this competition. So I can continue. So first word web is for Red House. Your time starts. Your time starts now. Maximum words. Red House, Sanskruti. This word web is for you. Using this letter, you need to create a maximum words you can. The word should start with letter G. It's a highlighted. Till the time you need to give the words also. Maximum word. You don't need to create one word. Maximum words you can. Only 10 seconds remain. Sanskruti. Red House. Fast. Only 3 seconds remain. 3, 2, 1. Next. This is for Blue House. Sanskruti,
Yes, ma'am.
you have created a word or not?
Yes, ma'am. I created.
Tell me your words now. Fast. Tell
Ma'am, G-A-M jam. G-A-M jam.
GAM jam. Yes.
G-A-M-E game.
Okay. Next.
G.
Next. Okay, you have created only one correct one.
G-E-M gym.
No, your time is out. You need to tell in 1 minute only. So this is for blue house. Time is running. Blue house. Blue house, your time is running. Only 30 seconds remain. Blue house, after timing you don't need to tell the words. Before the time before
Rat,
1 minute you should give your words.
rat, rage, rain, rate, rate, ran. Can I repeat, ma'am?
Yes.
First one is rat.
Rat.
Second
Spelling.
one is
Give
rate.
spelling also. You need to give spellings also. Say like R-A-T rat.
Okay, ma'am. R-A-T, rat. Then
Yes.
second is R-A-G-E, rage. And third one is R-A-I-N, rain.
Hmm?
Fourth one is R-A-T-E, rate. Fifth one is R-A-N, ran.
Okay. Your time is over already. Yes. This is for greenhouse. Time starts. Time is running. Greenhouse. Time is running. Thirty seconds remain. Fast. Greenhouse, you need to give answers before time. Only 5 seconds remain. 5. Asta, you are not audible. Asta, you are not audible. Asta, I am not getting your voice. I think your Bluetooth is disconnected. Please check once. Yeah, she's speaking. Yeah, she's speaking. Asta, you are not audible. You can chat. On chat, you can drop your words. On chat, go to chat, you can drop your words because you are not audible. I am giving you only 5 more seconds because of your Bluetooth problem. 5, 4, give your words fast, fast. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Now, yellow house. This web is for yellow house. Your time is start. Yellow house. Time is running fast. Yes, yellow house.
Miss, rat ran. Uh,
Yes.
read.
Spelling, spelling. You need to give spellings also.
RAT rat. RAN ran. RIN rin.
9 seconds remain. 9 seconds. 5 seconds remain now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, your time out. Students, you need to wait for 5 minutes. We are going to announce. We will announce the result here only. So student, wait for 5 minutes. We will announce the result. First, I will announce the result of this round. Result of this round is red house said only one word, one correct word. So 2 points. Blue house have given 4 correct words.
Ma'am, I have given 5 words.
Yeah, but you have given, the word you have given is a future tense name. It's not possible that you give that name. So we will count it as a only 4 words, 4 correct words. So
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, it's a past tense. So you cannot give that name, that word. So you have 8 points. Greenhouse, 8 points plus 8. Yellow house, 6 points. So these are the points of third round. Now wait for 5 minutes. We will announce your result. Anyone find any query in this round? Or it was interesting? How was the round? Okay, so wait for 5 minutes.
So unmute yourself, everyone. Asta, Sanskriti, Zaid, Ruchira, how was your competition?
Nice.
Have you enjoyed?
Nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
ma'am.
So let me declare the final points. Yellow House participant was Ruchira and the points are 10 points. Ruchira from Yellow House and she got 10 points. Then Sanskriti from Red House and she got 12 points. And runner-up team is a Green House, Asta Mane with 14 points. And today's winner of Spelathon is Zaid Abrar from Blue House. Congratulations, Zaid.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are the winner of Spelathon.
Thank you, ma'am, very much.
Very good. Congratulations once again. Runner-up team is Greenhouse. Asta, congratulations to you too. Actually, all participants performed very well. So let me congratulate everyone. You have tried, but it's okay. There is no more difference. Just 1 or 2 point difference is there. So don't worry. Try for next time. Okay. Once again, congratulations everyone. And now we are going to end this meeting. Okay. Thank you.